Before we start this video, can you put a quick like and subscribe down below? We're going to go directly to the Airdrop bot. There should be a link below on the page you're viewing from, if it's a video platform or a website. You're going to click Start. Once you pop up the Airdrop bot, you're going to start Airdrop tasks. You're going to click on this. You're going to join their group. You're going to go right back to the Airdrop bot. You're going to put your Telegram username in there. We're going to put in our Telegram username. Join this one. Join channel. Go back to the Airdrop bot here. Put in your username. Go on Facebook. Follow us on Facebook. We're going to put a like on Facebook. It'll automatically follow. We're going to go back to the Telegram bot. Next, the Telegram bot is asking for your Facebook URL. And you should have an Airdrop form sheet like this. Makes it so much simpler when you're doing lots of these. You get all your stuff laid out over here. You just copy and paste. So simple. Next, it wants you to follow on Twitter. It says the account suspended, so we'll just follow through and just keep going with this airdrop. We'll still put our Twitter name in here. And then we'll just copy and paste that into here. Hit next. Wants to follow a Medium. Pop your Medium account up. Go up here to follow. Makes it so much easier when you have an airdrop form. Next, it wants you to follow on Bitcoin Talk. We'll click on that. After you've followed on there, you put your Bitcoin Talk in there. And now it wants your Ethereum wallet. So just copy and paste your Ethereum wallet into here. Hit send. Type in skip. Don't submit twice. So you got a referral link down below, and the coins will be sent out to your Ethereum wallet. And that's the end of this airdrop. Can you put a like and subscribe below? And we'll be on to the next one here pretty soon.